Most people look at a rusty, discarded brake disc and see nothing but scrap metal. But for a maker, this is the perfect foundation for a high-precision workshop tool. Today, we're transforming this heavy-duty relic into a professional rotary welding table. The weight and balance of a brake disc make it ideal for stability. We start by cleaning the surface and preparing the center for its new life. Remember, in engineering, precision begins with a clean slate. Now we're aligning the central hub. Using these magnetic squares is crucial to ensure everything is perfectly centered before the first arc. We aren't just joining metal, we're creating a mechanical axis. Watch the penetration of these welds. It needs to be strong enough to handle the heat and the weight of future projects. A good weld isn't just about strength, it's about the integrity of the tool you're building. The secret to a smooth rotary table is the bearing assembly. We're integrating a heavy-duty ball bearing that will allow for a full, effortless 360-degree rotation. Notice how we're housing the bearing. It needs to be secure but allowed to move freely. This is where the magic happens. By recycling these components, we're achieving a level of quality that would cost hundreds of dollars in a retail store. It's about being smart with your resources. As we assemble the support arms and the main stand, you can see the project really taking shape. Every bolt and every weld is a step toward a more efficient workshop. This tool will allow you to keep your welding torch in one position while the workpiece rotates, ensuring a consistent and professional bead every single time. It's a game changer for circular welding tasks. There it is, from a piece of junk to a precision engineering masterpiece. A sturdy, reliable, and smooth rotary table ready for action. If you appreciate the art of repurposing and mechanical engineering, make sure to subscribe. Let's keep bringing these relics back to life. See you in the next build.